Sibling anthem check.
Hi, I am the oldest, I'm the leader of the pack, and all my other siblings just be riding off my back. I'm basically the parent, I keep everyone in line. I've never had a hand-me-down, my shoes they always shine.
Hi, we are the middles and we're always overlooked. Rules were made for us to break, which leaves our siblings shook.
Hand-me-downs are all we know, nothing's ever new.
You hate us cause you ain't us, but trust us, it's the truth.
Hi, I am the youngest, I'm my family's pride and joy. My siblings were irrelevant the day that I was born. I walk into the room, all the attention goes to me. I get anything I want with just a mommy, daddy, please. My older siblings always try to put the blame on me, but really they're just jealous cause they know they ain't the queen.
Gizmo, who's here? There's someone here. Where's Dad? Where's Dad? Where'd he go? You gotta turn around. Gizmo, look over there. Turn around. Gizmo, turn around. Does he see you in the reflection? Where's Dad? You think he's in that car? I don't think so. Gizmo, turn around. Gizmo. Gizmo. Where's your dad? You don't know?
Come on, here I am.
Oh, buddy.
Okay, I'm gonna be back. Okay? Rennie, don't eat the cookies. Okay? Don't eat the cookies. Stay there. Don't eat the cookies. Bernie, you